did a video like this a few months ago, but I've been shopping and got a lot of cool new stuff lately, so I figured I should do another one. All the links to everything will be in the description below, just like normal. So let's get started. First up is an Apple Pencil sleeve. You can attach this thing to anything. It has a sticky back, so it makes it really easy to peel to the back of cases or even your iPad. I used to use a pen loop, but that doesn't fit with my new keyboard case combo. It's great for traveling with the Apple Pencil, especially considering Apple doesn't have a native place to store the Apple Pencil on an iPad. You can even stick this to your desk as well if you want to keep your Apple Pencil in a permanent place nearby. I find it really handy when I'm just working around the house and I can have my Apple Pencil with me wherever I am, if I'm downstairs working at the bar or upstairs working in my office. Anker has a lot of great products, and this one is no exception. It's a great portable charger. It has 5 ports, all of which are capable of fast charging. It makes it really easy to charge a large amount of devices. I was using this when I was moving to keep my iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, and AirPods all charged up. It's also great to keep in a room with a lot of people to keep their devices topped up. It packs up really nice with the detachable power cable. This next one was sent to me and I think it's really interesting. It's an Apple Pencil stand with a twist. It has a great cube design, but the company will burn in your initials into one side. They use an old English font, so if you kind of like this design, it's definitely worth checking out. It's great for keeping your Apple Pencil on your desk nearby. I carry a ton of cables with me for different devices, and I decided I needed to put them all in one place. I got this cable bag off Amazon, and to be honest, I couldn't really find its name, but it does come in 2 colors, gray and orange and black and green. What I like about it, it's really big, and I can fit everything I need in it. I even put the small things that would get lost in my backpack. This way I always know where they are, and they don't fall to the bottom of the bag. But seriously, when I say this thing is big, I mean it's big. I can fit everything I need in it in its mini pockets. This next one isn't exactly an iPad accessory, but I do always talk about having a notepad for handwritten notes when I work, and I have found the Pano Book to be the best for that. I love the grid layout. This means you're not subject to using it in one particular orientation. Its perfect design fits right underneath the keyboard or alongside. There's also guides on each page as well. It's extremely high quality paper and it's designed to last forever. If you're somebody that loves notebooks or paper and pen, I highly recommend you check it out. Links to everything will be in the description below. If you like what I'm doing talking about iOS and iPad stuff, please like this video and subscribe. It really does help out the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have an awesome day.